Okay, so basically, cover letter is an application which we are going to write for our visa. Okay, so we have to write this application to the entry clearance officer, UK visa and immigration. And please keep in mind, this is very important thing here. You have to write the date, the date which you have taken for biometric of your application. Okay, as my biometric was on 14th of April 2022, so I have written this date. And then you will put the subject like the application, any application. Subject is visa application for PLAB 2 examination. Okay, so again, respected sir or madam, then you will write my name is this and my visa application reference number is this, my passport number is this, I am applying for business visitor visa for PLAB 2 examination, which is scheduled on 23rd of June 2022. Okay, so this is what how we will write this application for our visa purpose, or how we will write this cover letter for our visa purpose. Okay, so you will describe you briefly here what you have done, what you are doing these days, and what is your future plan. Okay, again you will write I am also registered with the JMC UK as a candidate to appear in the PLAB exam. Briefly you will explain everything here. Then you will write why I am applying for the UK business visitor visa. Okay, so you can read it, you will write like this. Again you will write why I want to take the PLAB exam. Again I have written, you can write in your own words. If you want to copy this, you can do it. Okay, the important thing is this one, my educational timeline. This is very important. March 2018 was my graduation. August 2018 I started foundation year house job. July 19 house job completed. August 2019 I started job as a medical officer. December 2019 started medical officer on ad hoc basis. August 2020 medical officer on permanent or regular basis. December 2020 I cleared my OET. In November 2021 I passed my PLAB 1 exam on 4th of November 2021, and June 2022 is my PLAB 2 exam date. So you will mention your educational timeline in this way. After this, if you have done some mistake during the your application process online, then you will mention in the cover letter as well, because this is very important that you should keep in your mind that if you have done some mistake while fulfilling your application online, you have to mention here. Okay, if you have missed something in the application, you have to clear this in the cover letter as well. So domestic and financial condition in Pakistan, I missed one thing here. I have written, respected sir madam, before starting the financial ties, I would like to bring your attention toward the mistake that occur while filling the application. I accidentally forgot to mention about the deposit of amount. I deposit an amount which I forget to mention in the application. So this was a big amount. So this is the reason I made a special note in my cover letter. Okay, I deposited this money by myself from my savings on the 5th of April 2022. Deposit slips is attached. So this is very important. If you did some mistake, if you have done some mistake in your application, you have to mention like this. So then these are the financial ties. This is very important part of your cover letter, and this is again a very important part of your application as well. Financial ties, you will write I am doing this job, and my withdrawals salary of per month is this one. And apart from that, you will also attach if you're doing some business, if you are earning from somewhere else. As I have written a book on OET, that was OET by Dr. Faraz Ahmad. So I was doing this business via Pakistan Post, so I have given all the details here about my OET business. Apart from that, I also teach OET online, so I have also given the detail here as well, and I also attach the documented proof of these business as well. So this is very important. Whatever you are writing here in the application or cover letter, you have to give proof as well. Okay, then you have to give the, as we are talking about financial ties. Okay, so you have to give if your brother, your father, or anyone in the family is doing some job, or he is earning a handsome amount of money, then you have to mention as well. As I have mentioned about my brother who is working in the Saudi Arabia. I also mentioned about my father's because he holds a land, and but I mentioned that, but I am sorry I am unable to upload this evidence due to document translation issues, because I have documented proof of all the land which my father has, and that proof is in Urdu. So I was unable to get an English copy of that document. So this is the reason I mentioned here. So this is very important. If you don't have any document, if you have done some mistake and you're lacking some documents, you have to mention here in the cover letter. Please keep in mind, don't hide anything. Please try to mention everything in the cover letter. Okay, apart from that, family and social ties, very important. Myself, my father, and he owns this land. My mother, housewife, my sister, my elder brother, and you have to mention your families and social ties as well. Then I mentioned about my family registration certificate is attached and we live in a house. Okay, I have written the area of house here because this will show the worth of your house. Okay, this house is in my father's name. Okay, okay. After that, you will write. Now, why we are writing all these? Because why we are writing? I have my father, mother, one sister, and four brother. I have my father has a land worth this. Worth is this. I am doing this business, and I am teaching online. I am writing about the my wife details here. So all these things are showing that I have very good ties in Pakistan, and I will definitely come back. The more you will show your ties in your homeland, the more stronger will be your application. Okay, so I am showing all these because to make my application stronger. When I will show the more ties, it will confirm that I will come back after my PLAB exam. So here I have written about my wife. Okay, I have written that I got married on the 19th March 2021. I have written my wife details, everything here, and I have written about the medical condition of my wife as well. So apart from that, the other important thing in your cover letter is bank statement. So I have written that my personal account is in for example Allied Bank, and my account name is Faraz Ahmed. Then I have written the account number. The current balance in my account is this. Everything I have mentioned, you can copy this or you can write in this way as well if you want. Okay, then I have written that I received this amount at end of the Feb and March 2022 from Pakistan Post as a monthly payment of from my book business as well. So whatever you are earning, from where uh, money is coming in into your account, you have to mention everything here. Okay, apart from that bank statement, you will write about that how many days you will stay in the UK and how you will use these days. So I have mentioned everything. I have written that I will stay for 10 days. On the 14th of June, I will arrive in the UK. On 15th, I will relax and take rest. On 15th, adjustment with the weather and the surroundings. So you have to mention in this way. You have to explain your stay, that how you will spend your time in UK. Okay, so then you will also mention about PLAB 2 exam confirmation. Okay, you will write that my exam is on the 23rd of June 2022, or you can write your own date on which date your exam is, and you will also mention that I have paid this much fee, and you will also mention that I have uploaded the receipt of this fee as well. Then no objection certificate. This is very important. If you're doing some job either in private setup or in the government setup, you have to give this no objection certificate from your employer as well. Okay, if you will show that you're doing some job and you will not give the no objection certificate, then your visa application can be rejected. Please keep in mind this no objection certificate is very important. Accommodation certificate, this is very important as well. So whenever you are fulfilling your application, whenever you are writing your cover letter, you should have an accommodation booked in the UK. Okay, so I have explained about this in the previous video. You can watch that video. Okay, so this is the total cost of the trip. You will mention this. I have mentioned that I will do almost 1700 expenses in UK. Plane ticket 600 GBP, accommodation 405 GBP, and living expenses 695. Total cost 1700. Okay, so I mentioned that in the amount of money I have for this trip, And please keep in mind that the amount in your account should be at least double the amount you are going to expend on your trip. Okay, if you have double amount, definitely there will be no issues with your expenses, and there are a lot of chances that your application will be accepted. Okay, after that I have mentioned about my current visa application. I have written all these, you can read this. Okay, I am not reading this because video will get lengthy. All right, so after this you will take an oath here that I am an honest person, I am a law abiding citizen in our country, and I will also abide law in UK as well. Everything you can read this as well. So after this you will close the application. Yours sincerely, you will write name, GMC number, PMDC or your own country medical body number. You will write your ID card number, passport number, after their contact number and residential address as well. So please keep in mind, this is very important slide here. At the end you have to write this list of the documents attached. So you can read here that which documents I have attached here. I have attached passport, copy of my Pakistan computerized national identity card, copy of PLAB 1 examination result and the test details, part 2 exam booking, GMC council details, GMC details, and I have uploaded OET MBBS provisional certificate from my medical college, and Pakistan Medical and Dental College registration card and registration certificate. I have uploaded both. And my secondary school and high school certificate, I have uploaded domicile, house job experience letter from a private setup. Apart from that, I have uploaded experience letter from my DHQ hospital in the Miyawali, and experience and appointment letter from my current hospital where I am doing job as well. Okay, I have uploaded NOC from my employer as well. This is very important. All the salary slips are uploaded, cash deposit slips are also uploaded, bank statement of 6 month and account maintenance letter is also uploaded. Apart from that, I have also uploaded the taxpayer registration certificate, income tax return from 2021, income tax deduction certificate from my department, and I have also uploaded the hotel reservation accommodation. Okay, I have uploaded this cover letter as well, family registration certificate related to my wife and my parents. If you are married, you have to upload two family registration certificate, one with your wife and one with your parents, charge report and the salary slips of my wife. I have uploaded documents of my brothers, and I have uploaded COVID-19 vaccination certificate, OET book business details, and police character certificate. This is very important. Please get your certificate of character from police. This is very important, you should have this. Okay, after that I have also uploaded utility bills details because they are very important for the confirmation of your address. So this is how you will write your cover letter. This is very important. You can watch this video, and if you don't have any other template, you can use this template for your visa application and visa cover letter. Thank you so much.